Okay, hello, my beautiful people. How are we doing? Hope we are well. Hope we are doing amazing. Today is yet another beautiful day, another amazing day. So come through, let us chat. Let me hear from you. Let me know how you are doing, how each and everything is going on your side. So come through. Let us talk, let us chat, and definitely let us observe the market together. We analyze it together and we see how it's all going to play out. Okay, I'm having a humble Chris. Hi, humble Chris. How are you doing? Hope you're well. You are my very first person to send in a message. Greetings to you. Greetings to you. Thank you for coming through. Okay, I'm having a blessing over there. Hi, blessing. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are amazing. Okay, so thank you guys for always coming through, for the love, for the energy that we have around here. Thank you very much. Okay, so as we wait for others to come in, to join in, let me tell you what we have today. Okay, so gold OTC. Gold OTC, that is what we are still trading today, 500 US dollars. 500 US dollars, and this is 15 seconds, not 7 minutes. All right, and then we have wealth path. Hi, my dear one. How are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through. So, on this end, you are the very first person to send in a message. So grateful to have you come through. So grateful to have you come through. So, my beautiful people, I'm here waiting on you. Come through. Let us see how the day today is going to go. Right. Okay, so right about now, I'm saying humble Chris. Please, can you teach us your strategy? That is actually one thing that, okay, I made tutorials from the beginning to at least somewhere where I know we can learn something. So it has just been delayed to be uploaded onto my YouTube channel, but the videos were already made, okay? Because at the end of the day, I want you people to learn something out of what I'm doing, okay? Oh, okay. Your mic is skipping, okay? Sorry about. You will let me know if now it's much better. You let me know. Okay, so for the strategy, as I was saying, that is Humble Chris. I made tutorials, and when my media team is ready to put those videos on my YouTube channel, we shall have them learn something and then become at least we get to know a few things here and there, and you will be able to learn my strategy, because that is what I was focusing on. The fact that people were asking so much about the strategy, that is where I focused more of the energy, more of the time. So we shall have that when it's ready to be uploaded onto my YouTube channel. We shall have them. All right. Okay, so that is for Humble Chris. Then DJ Mike. All right. I will be waiting for that. And definitely we just believe that everything goes well. Okay. Humble Chris, I've responded to you. Jazz Riles, hi Lena, how are you doing? I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. Hope you are well over that side. I have made my payments of 350 US dollars to you. Okay, let me. Okay, so Jazz Riles, I will be giving you the feedback, but definitely if you sent it in, then I must have received it. Okay. Next, Akin. Hello, Lena. I want to send in my donation. Actually, for the people that want to send in their donations when the session has just started, please, you have to do it immediately, such that when I'm compiling the people that I'm going to do donations for, you're included. Otherwise, if you send in a little later, that simply means you will be output for the next session. Okay. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. Okay, so probably maybe you could let me know how we are doing right now. Let me hope it's much better. Let me hope it's much better now. Okay, so for the indicators, that is T7XL. For the indicators that I'm using, that is the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. All right, I'm seeing Shakib over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you're well. Thank you for joining. All right, that is Shakib. I've responded to T7XL. Kenneth over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through. Akin, that's okay. Thank you. Okay. I pray it doesn't give us any more troubles because we need to concentrate on the market. We need to see how each and everything has to play out today. So, to my beautiful people that are just joining in, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Let us see how the day is going to go today, how each and everything is going to play out today. Yesterday's market was a bit, it was bad, like some of you observed, it was bad. So let's see how today is going to be. Let's see how today is going to be. So come through. Let us chat. Let us keep chatting, and definitely let us see how the day is going to go. So, like I was saying earlier, if you are to send in your donation, that simply means you have to do it early enough. If probably the list of people who sent in their donations is not very long, then there I'm able to add on to add you on to the day's trading. Okay, but if it comes in when the number is already high or there are very many people, that simply means I have to keep you for the following day. So if you're to send in, please do that. I believe for the people that have been asking me, we know the procedure, we know how to do it, we know where to go to send in these donations. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate you guys for that trust because it actually takes trust for you to sit there and you are like, let me send in something such that Lena trades for me. So it's a really an honor. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let's have it. Let's have it and we see how the day is going to go. Do not forget to include your wallet. With this wallet, this is where I'm supposed to transfer to your profits after winning. Before we send in these donations, I always talk about risk management. Okay, this is something where this is something we should have with us. Do not send in your last savings because you've seen Lena trade for people, she has made profits for them, and then you are sending in your last savings. Okay, a lot of things happen with this market that I myself cannot control. Okay, so send in something that you are willing to lose. At the end of the day, if you send in your last savings, if things do not go well, I do not want you. What I'm trying to avoid is you feeling bad, being frustrated, and all that. Okay, the market fluctuations. We know exactly what happens. We know that we cannot control this market. You know, it's it's unpredictable. So do not send in your last savings. I really do not encourage that. Selling something you know, if I lose this, I'm able to still keep moving. It should not be the end of the world. Okay? So I really do encourage you to consider risk management. I encourage it so much. All right, Nico. Hi, Nicole. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Jordan. Hi, Jordan. How are you doing? Michael. Still not good. Um, okay, Mike. Still not good. Oh, I actually thought it was much better because someone sent in a message saying that it's now okay. Oh, goodness. A great V5X. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Raviv. Hi, Raviv. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. I'm doing great. I'm doing great on my end. How about you? How are you doing? Let me hope you are amazing. Okay, so let us proceed with our trades. We proceed with our trades, and as we all know, the platform we are using is a pocket option for those that do not know that is pocket option. Binary options trading, that is what we are doing, and definitely with OTC, we look at the chart, we are seeing gold OTC. Probably maybe we are used to some other pairs, in the other trading ways. So when you come here, you see gold OTC, you will ask yourself, what does this mean? What is going on? What is this? Okay, so with these kinds of pairs, this only implies that we are looking at an open market. An open market, OTC means over the counter. So it gives us an open market where we are allowed to trade to trade any time that we want to trade, any day of the week. It would be a weekend. We all know that over the weekends, most markets are closed, waiting for a new week. Okay, but with OTC markets, we are able to trade whether during the weekends, public holidays, we are free to keep trading. So that is also the other thing that probably maybe I could tell to our new people that are just joining in, that are coming through and they do not understand what exactly is going on. With our chart over here, what is most important? One, I am scalping, okay? I'm scalping. When we are talking about scalping, we are talking about small time frames, okay? Small time frames, that's why you see I have 15 seconds. So by small time frames, talking about 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. So I'm in to grab all those small opportunities to make sure that I make profits out of them. Having those setups, the ones that we always have, let me say, the stop loss, take profit, then the markings here and there. That I do not do it here. I do not do it here because to me as a scalper, it's time consuming. Okay, To me, it's time consuming. So I'm someone who goes in for smaller time frames, get what I can get, and then close it. All right. So when I talk about that, what does Lena look at when trading? So with me on my end, as a scalper, indicators are very, very important. That's why you keep seeing that I have indicators day in, day out. The ones that I've been using ever since I started streaming, I've been having okay, DJ system. Actually thought it was okay because I asked and Akin said that's okay. So if it's still skipping at this point, I actually don't know. I don't know what is going on, what is happening. So probably maybe someone else should tell us from their end. How is it? Is it still skipping? Because it makes a lot of sense when all of us at least okay. Okay, so I've increased the volume. I've increased the volume. Sorry about that. That is from Chinedu. So Chinedu, please let me know. Is the mic okay on your end or it's not? And you're most welcome. Happy to have you around for yet this other session. Thank you for coming through, and I really do appreciate you. Thank you for always coming through. So I was talking about these indicators. I use indicators basically for my entries. Okay. Okay, so today the list is a long. So let us get into the donations early enough and we see how the day is going to go. All right, so like I keep saying, we always have the list on the chat, on the chats over there, such that we keep seeing what is going on. Sorry about that. We keep seeing what's going on. Who is Lena trading for? Who is next? Who has made profits? Who has not? So, right about now, as you can see, that is our first list for the donations. Thank you guys for always sending in your donations. Thank you for trusting me. I really do appreciate you. Okay, so we have Orlando Fabrics, 350 US dollars, 4 atoms. Okay, Simon over there, I see you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sending in a message. I'm really grateful. Okay, Hust is asking me for the MACD settings. That is 12, 26, and 9. Once again, DJ System. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. I think that is Nasel. Hi, Nasel. How are you? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Bible Boost. Hi, my dear one. Happy to see you yet another day today. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for the blessings and thank you for appreciating. May God bless you too as well. Some Mike comes through. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope each and everything is going on amazing. People from Ghana, you are always well represented. So thank you very much. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. Philip, hi Philip. That is Philip Ryan. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you're doing great and hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. So, as we get ready to start off with our donations, allow me thank you once again for the trust, for always sending in your donations. All we do is believe for the very best, keep positive, and we see how the day is going to go. One of the things that I always look at and pray for is that each and every one of us who takes off their time and believes that things can they can have profits out of this. You take off your time, you take off your money, you send in. I always pray for the very best that we make profits. We make profits for each and every one of us. So that's the one thing that I always believe for. And I always want each person who sent in their donations to go away happy. That is the one thing that I do my very, very best for. Okay. So, as we are trading, we also have to stay positive and we see that things go the way we want them to. And at times they do not go the way we want them to, but positivity it changes a lot of things. Okay. All right, so let us get ready to dive straight into it. I know all of us are ready. Just a few things here, then we get started. Okay, for sorry that I was taking a bit long to get started. Sorry about that. One thing I would love to give you is the fact that all the information that I asked for the donations,